12-year-old girl and her grandmother washed away in Mobay floodwaters. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Guys, the 2022 rainy season seems as if it has started out with revenge. For what? I don't know. But it descended upon the island of Jamaica. And the second city, Mobay, was not spared. Eyewitnesses said that the roads became riverbeds. It was like a sea. And in all of that, news emerged that a car was washed away with a lady and her granddaughter. According to the news, a 12-year-old girl and her 68-year-old grandmother were swept away in the floodwater. And now the child, who has been identified as Jenell Walters, and her grandmother Beryl Walters, were reportedly missing by family members who said they were washed away near Westgate in Montego Bay. The missing persons, who are residents of Rose Heights, are said to have been traveling in a car with other occupants that was suddenly washed away by the flood that resulted from the heavy rain. A witness claimed that another man and his 25-year-old daughter, who were also in the same vehicle, they were also washed away but was rescued from the raging water by men who fixed tire at a nearby facility. And so a massive search is now on the way for the two persons. That's the little girl and her grandmother. Because, as I said before, the car was washed away into the Barnet River. News emerged that the driver and another passenger, they managed to escape before the vehicle dropped in the river. But the 68-year-old lady and the little girl, they were not so lucky.
Just you want to say something. Tell them to me until you can't go back up tonight. You go down to the water, you want to go past, so you don't just look and cut water. Don't go around this one. Only thing afraid of bamboo. You can't go past, you just go in a rough water. This is what I can't do, me not to me.
So guys, while putting together this story, news have emerged that the little girl has been found. So based on the Observer, it says the body of 12-year-old Jenell Walters has been recovered about 1.5 miles from where she was washed away by raging floodwaters in Montego Bay on Tuesday afternoon. Reporters saw the body of the little girl dressed in her clothes her family said she was wearing at the time that she was swept away. Jenell and her 68-year-old grandmother, Beryl Walters, were among occupants of the car that got swept away by the waters following the heavy rain.